Barbecue.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host with the most, is Jazz. Welcome back. I'm glad you guys are all here. I'm glad you guys all made it through the New Year and the Christmas holidays, and just glad you guys are all back. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad the holidays are over, and I'm ready to do some cooking. So I got the grill fired up, got the old Bronco Joe smoker smoking away. And we are going to cook a big giant ham. Why not? Because that's apparently the only thing I do on this channel is cook hams. But everybody loves the hams. So we're going to cook us a big ham today. I'm going to try some different seasoning. We're going to see how it goes. And we're just going to cook us a ham. I mean, I got nothing else for you. Just coming back from break here. So let's just get it done. Also, if you haven't yet, go ahead and follow me on social medias, the TikToks at NewBQ Backyard Barbecue, Instagram, Facebook, NewBQ 2020. I also, if you click the link down below in the description, I have merchandise. Go ahead and pick you up a t-shirt if you haven't already, and appreciate you guys being here. Let's get to cooking. All right, let's cut this sucker open here. Alright, I've washed my hands, I promise. I ran out of gloves. My gloves are empty today. I ran out. But I washed my hands, I promise. Using the licking my chicken, pulling my pork. Alright guys, we're getting closer. About 101 degrees. Whew, doesn't that look pretty? Doesn't that look pretty? Alright y'all, 146. We're going to start glazing her up. She's pretty well done, but we want to make sure we get a good glaze on it. Look at that. Doesn't that just look beautiful? Brushing that in a little. Sure that glaze gets all down them cracks. Ooh-wee. That just looks and smells delicious. Little homemade glaze here, just some sweet barbecue sauce, and then mix it down with some sugar-free soda. Turns out a pretty good glaze, quick and easy glaze. All right. Gonna let it sit for just a little bit longer, just a few more minutes. All right, biggest problem we're gonna face all night. How to get this ham out of here. I don't have any gloves. I ran out of gloves. So I'm gonna try to get it with this big spatula. Get underneath it. We're just gonna try to balance it. Oh my gosh. Just like that. It works. Alright, y'all. Looks pretty dang good, doesn't it? Let's just start cutting the little slices off here. Ooh, look at that ham, baby. Look at that juicy ham. Man, that looks delicious, don't it? All right, y'all, time for the honorary taste test here. Let's give it a shot. That's fire. That's delicious. That's how you do a ham. All right, y'all. Thanks for being here today. Thanks for hanging out with me. That's all I have for you. Don't forget to check me out on the social medias at the Facebook, Instagram, NewbieQ2020, TikTok, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue, and go ahead and hit the link down below. Get you a t-shirt. Help a brother out, and we'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go cut up the rest of this ham and divvy it up, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.